Yo, welcome guys to another video. Today we're shooting an IS300 car meet right here in Fujiwara Cafe. Don't really know the name. There's this clean car though. Let me just put this down. Look at that. 2JZ John. Yeah, look at that. Beautiful. Then there's an Acura. Scrubbing everywhere. Who's gonna park? And then there's a red wagon that way. Bro, this little ass kid opened the door and it's just like honking.
Gang.
Glaze.
What's up, gang?
I want to go take some photos of your engine bay.
Get the hose, get the hose. Get the hose.
Oh shit.
Hey, he's right there, look.
Alright, so there's more ISs here. Silent 2C. This is a black one with like some chrome wheels. More ISs. But let me show you guys some better shit.
I'm like right there. I'll be right back. Yeah, go ahead. Yeah.
So this shit has like some kind of cool ass grill.
I'm gonna get the brochure. It shows what they are.
I don't know what that is. This shit's clean. Pretty cool in here. Just these new headlights, and this should be WAP. And this is like an Instagram car, probably. Typical BN, ME battles, most common IS thing. We got ourselves a Neo front bumper, BN kit, probably KBD. I think I know who this belongs to, but I don't. Actually, yeah, I don't. Shit's wide body. More ISs. This one looks fair. Got some 3-piece wheels right here. BSKFs. Should go hard.
Actually, yeah, we would use that same amount.
So this one has a nice color. Just like nice. This one's factory manual with some 09 arms, some 3-piece wheels, GGP eBay headlights, and TRD Neo V2 for the front. It's on some bride seats with the 3D printed cup holder. Let me show you guys that. See the 3D printed cup holder right there. Stock airbag wheel, and probably a TRD. Is that TRD? Yeah, it's a TRD shift knob. Clean rear seats, leather. Yeah, overall really clean car. Nice. And then this is, I think, 2J Marco. Wide body. Pretty rare to see on these. At least completed and painted. Pretty cool though. And then this guy right here, he like wraps cars.
Supposedly.
So this car is actually a 1J. They got like goodies in here. So they got, what is this? NRG. This is drive safe food, and then bright seats. And yep, what you guys like to see, boosted. This motherfucker actually did something with this car, bro. And then we got Brian's car, 1JZ, stock ECU, I think, with some gram lights. I don't know how the inside looks. I know it's we got gauge pods. So this car right here actually looks really nice. This one has that blue paint that everyone loves, and then it has some nice chrome wheels. I think I've seen this car before it had all this done to it. I believe it was repainted, but I could be wrong. Alright, we got more IS's right here. Everybody pulling up. This shit's still popping. Nobody does it like SoCal. Oh, Weddle's here. My boy's car right here. This shit's nice. We got a TRD Neo, Altezza headlights, 3-bar grill, black hood. It was carbon. It's gonna go back on, and then the whole car is wrapped in GGP with a TRD high-rise wing. Super sick. And it got tags up to date. Where's Weddle? So this is our boy right here, Megan Whitefoot. Let's go, 4-hour drive.
It was an hour and a half.
Oh shit. Alright, so right here we got the clean JC10. Shit's manual swap, but I think it's an 01. Sick. And then if you guys don't know already, this is my car. This is a 01 automatic IS300 with a full elegance kit from front to rear. We got MB Battles, sport line design headlights. But yeah, paint's cooked. It's seen better days, but I tinted everything black just cause why not? And it's got a great exhaust. Stock car. My boy's 350 right here. I think it just has a Tomei, and then it has the carbon front end, diffuser, duckbill wing, and then LMGT4s in the front, and then the Nismo front bumper as well. And look at that sad IS300 over there.
That hurts. I've been there, bro. That shit hurts.
What are we selling?
What's up? We got the OEM catalogs for the Jita, Altezza, however you want to say it. Carbon cover for the JDM lit. The OEM covers for the taillights, just like that right there. And what's it called? Model car.
Oh, damn.
And this is to hold bolts and stuff. It's really cool.
Oh, it's like magnetic and stuff.
Magnetic, yeah. And then the shirts too. And then the freaking, someone has a PS1 or PS2.
Is that a video game?
Yeah, bro.
Yeah.
Fucking Altezza video game. And then VHS too.
That's sick.
Hella shit. And this one's just personal, but it's like the accessory catalog. So it has like the whole, the elegant sports like you have on your car, the V1,
I still want a V1.
the Neo, and it shows like all the accessories and the part numbers for them. Yeah, they even had a stroller. You see that shit?
Had a stroller?
Look at that right there. Oh shit. That's the.
Oh, I see it.
You see that shit? Had a fucking stroller, dude. They had a bunch of random shit for Altezzas.
There's also some more bucks up because of too.
The lips and stuff.
You guys needed help?
Dude.
Yeah.
Yeah, everything here's
Are they
for
for
sale.
cheaper?
The side skirts are dumb cheap. They're $250, dude. You can. It's like the price of the rep ones, I think. Well, obviously you guys do body work. And the shirts too. Oh yeah, these the looks. Or these mine are some
Those are his.
Gotcha.
Check out Curio Garage.
Hey.
Alright, we're gonna keep walking around.
Do your thing, bro. Enjoy it.
I have a picture. Watch out. That's just big. Oh, voy en CC my meat. Black.
Yes, inside it, I'm there.
Chingao. You know?
You didn't believe me? No. Those shits are like them New York rats, bro. Fuck. Look at Kevin's there. That's just mine. That's just like, oh, that's just nasty way. Dude, look at Kevin's name, bro.
What the fuck?
It's normal ride, bro.